What's up, guys? This is Ruben from TG, and in today's video, I want to go over how we day traded SPX for a total of 40 or 56% return right here. Okay, really simple trade. It's not very complicated. Won't take long. Um, okay, so I was using SPY first of all when I took this trade because I was um, earlier today. I had my levels marked here. I'm actually going to remove this for now. Where the trade, you see this line right here, this 552.77 area. This area right here was actually recorded earlier this morning, around maybe the first 15 minutes of market open, where I get the expected move for a given security. So in this case, SPY. And the way I get the expected move is that we use a tool called Gextron. Okay, and Gextron takes into consideration implied volatility, theta, all these things, all these factors, all these option premium Greeks. And it gives us this number right here. It says EM. First, I select the date because it's an expected move for a given date based on the current pricing. So in this case, when I open up this expiration tab, it's grouped by months, right? But because I like to mark the daily, I go to the first column, right? I look for the April 30th expiration, and then I see the EM column. The EM column is short for expected move in Gextron, okay? And so I grabbed this number, and then I added. That's all I did from whatever the spot price was at the time when I first added it. I think I marked it here too. It was about a $6.23 move. I always like to mark it. You see where it says DEM? I like to mark it and put the parentheses of like how much I expect to move for the day is. So I noticed that today it actually hit it, right? So if I was to go long, I could have gone long and aimed for this, but I didn't catch this move. And so what I did today was that I noticed that SPY was actually getting rejected around this area. And I like the volume of the rejection, okay? So I already have the expected move. I have the top for the day, okay? And all I had to do was now and also, actually, this is actually really important. We are in, because this is part of the context, we are in between this P trans and N trans level. So I like this, okay? So it was getting rejected and it was looking to go further down for the N trans move, okay? And so I alerted it on the chat. I say, hey, I'm going to get, I only got one contract because this is on the 10K account. I'm going to get one contract, 54.85 put, 0 DT, 0 or hero for the time being. And then one of the members actually got a better entry than I did. He got 115% earlier, which was amazing because I only got 56%. But I'm pretty sure he took his profit too. Okay, so that was it. Honestly, that was it. The rejection was there. And as I'm playing the rejection, it's also going below entrance. And by then, you got this is 0 DTE, and it's really far out of the money for SPX that I needed to take profit as soon as possible, right? Could I have gone lower? Of course, right? Because we're below entrance. It could have gone to this max pain level, but when it's already like 1:30 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time, anything can happen, right? You can see here that if I didn't have my profit taking strategy, I would have been taken out. This would have been at least a negative number. So that was it. It was really simple. Just get the expected move, get the key levels from Gextron, play the rejection, and the confirmation was this volume bar right here. That's it. Cool. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. If you want to get access to Gextron, there's a 7-day free trial. You can you'll find a link in the description box. And if you want access to the Telegram channel, just there'll be a link in the description box as well too. All right, peace out.